The MZK 20V Cordless Leaf Blower offers a completely wireless design, allowing unrestricted movement and operation for various cleaning tasks. Equipped with a long-lasting battery, this leaf blower can run for up to 15 minutes at maximum power, ensuring you can complete your cleaning without battery concerns. Weighing only 3.9 pounds, the MZK leaf blower is lightweight and portable, making it easy to handle with one hand for extended periods without muscle strain. The powerful motor of this leaf blower can achieve speeds up to 130 miles per hour and 150 cubic feet per minute, providing excellent performance for clearing leaves and debris. Versatile in application, this leaf blower is suitable for sweeping debris from a variety of areas including shops, garages, driveways, and gardens, and can even handle tasks like removing snow and drying car surfaces. MZK offers fantastic customer service, ensuring any questions or problems with the tool are addressed promptly and effectively to enhance your shopping experience.